Good morning, everybody. Just to pick up on our Tucson project and our interior reconditioning, we've went through our steps to get the stains from the seats and sanitize and deodorize to make this vehicle nice and clean and health safe. So we just thought we'd show you how things turned out. I don't know if you remember the console, but we got that all cleaned up. Interior was in rough shape. I think the prior owners drove the car and didn't give it a whole lot of love, but as you can see, those seats are looking a lot better. They cleaned up pretty well. Smell is gone from the car, which is a big thing. So that's a good indicator that we've got our contaminants and bacteria out of the car and it's going to be health safe. Those are things we look for, along with clean. We cleaned up the dash, carpet, all the door panels and seats again on the passenger side. This is just a shot with the floor mats out. This car has beautiful floor mats. They actually protected the carpet quite well. And yes, that window's up. We got them glass nice and clean, as you can see. So there's a look at the back. Hopefully the exterior shots do it some justice. Whoops. We gotta get rid of that little speck. Nice clean seats. Yum. Some lines from the extractor there. Those disappear over time. Nice clean cargo area. This is certainly one of the more challenging vehicles we've had through here recently. But nonetheless, that'll give you a pretty good idea what we're capable of doing here at A1 Detailing. No polishing matter in the doors. Those are all cleaned up. All that's looked after nicely prior to delivery. It's just important what you don't leave behind is what you do. So we do take the time. Shot of the dash there. The vent's nice and clean. Up here as well. So yeah, there you have it, folks. And that's those big old floor mats that this Hyundai has hanging on the wall there. We'll pop those back in. We've cleaned those and treated those, so there you have it, folks.